Go! Wait, who's laughing at us? Where did you go?
Callie! Where are you?
Aaron, I'm not stopping. How did you get through there? Callie, where the... Ooh.
Free sky.
This is scary.
Help!
Should I wait right here for y'all?
Yes.
Oh, I see Callie. See, Callie, you look creepy as hell right now.
I'm coming.
My character looks weird.
You look so creepy. All right, which way should we go? Left or straight? Left or straight?
Check. Okay, not that direction.
Callie! Callie!
Please exit the...
No, there's something moving! What
She did not hang up.
is that? I'm not going in there.
Callie!
I'm not going in there.
That's just Judy.
There's nowhere else to go. Oh, we crawl. Why is she gone?
Oh no.
I'm stuck. Ah!
Don't move.
Why? Oh my god. Oh, I'm dead. Wait, where am I? I see stars in the... Oh, I'm down where you guys are going. Oh, hi.
Wait, what happened with the call?
I don't know, but we can worry about that once we get out of here. In this one round? Why is she in a garbage bin?
Ew.
Callie, what are you doing? I'm gonna crouch down in here too. Now I'm scared. Sorry. All right, I'm here.
What?
Where did you go?
Judy's up here, Carly.
Where did Callie go?
And your mom.
Oh, I found her. I'm going towards her. Callie, I'm running to you.
I'm running to Carly's.
Oh my god, that's not Callie.
Callie, where'd you go?
Into the thick of it.
I thought
Callie, where are you?
I went just some direction, okay?
there's this white thing that I thought was you, but it's not.
Carly, that's Judy.
Yeah. I thought Judy was Callie.
Come on,
I'm
Callie.
by a Ferris wheel, not a Ferris wheel.
I'm by a tent.
Merry-go-round?
Oh, I think you're over here, but Judy is like guarding where we need to go.
I'm by a merry-go-round.
That's not Judy.
I'm at the merry-go-round.
Hey, Callie.
Where are you? Oh, sorry, I just stepped on you.
On the floor.
Why are you dragging me with you? Oh my god!
Going on, I can't
Wait,
see.
what do we... Ah! Oh, Lord. What do we do?
We have to crawl like Callie.
I'm not crawling. Gross. Are we going towards this red spinny thing?
Crouch with me.
Yeah.
Yes, Callie.
You guys' feet are hitting each other.
Cool.
Callie.
Right now, I'm walking backwards.
Ah! Ah! Oh.
That was.
I didn't either. Oh god, I'm in a terrible view of Callie's butthole.
You look like you're in a terrible view.
Hey, back up.
How are we going to get up here?
You gotta.
That looks like fun. I made it.
Oh yeah, make sure you don't. If the swing hits you, you die.
Ah.
So crouch under it.
What the fuck is that?
That's Judy. Now hide in the grass.
I'm in the
Follow
grass.
me.
I
Follow me
turn.
now.
Wait, I have to turn my flashlight on. Can she see my flashlight?
Turn it on. Keep it on. Come on.
Where'd you go? Oh. Okay.
Keep heading towards the bush.
I'm just following you.
Head into the bush.
Just following
In bush.
in you.
Stay in bush.
Okay, in bush.
Show coast is clear.
Oh my god!
Callie, your butthole!
I literally just accidentally shoved my character's face into a Ronkadunk.
So did I.
Small space. I just looked beside me there.
I'm on this horsey. Get off! Get your own! Guys! You can't take my horsey!
It's orange.
So?
You should expect me to take it.
I'm gonna go to that swinging thing, see if I can find anything. Judy. Ah!
Do we see anything?
I don't see Judy anywhere. Alright, give me a
I
moment.
don't think we're meant to go up here.
Why have I started speaking British? And now why are you copying me also speaking British? Oh! Wait, there's another truck. There's another thingy there. We supposed to go over here?
What?
Over here. Where I'm looking. That truck. Do we need that?
That's a building.
Joya! No, the truck on top of the building.
That's not a truck. That's not a truck.
It's a something.
It's a generator.
Oh! I fell down. I fell
Is
down.
this supposed to do anything? Oh, you just read.
Where are we supposed to be going?
I don't know. I'm just on a roof now.
Well, I told you to jump to the roof to see what was there, and I just pointed it out, and now I'm all alone on this freaking tower.
I'm also all alone.
I'm all the way over here.
Where?
Fine.
Where? I can't see anything! This flashlight is useless! Oh? Was that Judy?
Hey.
Oh? Why are there little lights flashing everywhere? Kelly, where are you?
I'm way over this direction.
Okay, you see it way over this section. What direction is that?
Well,
Wait a
I think
minute.
the direction you're staring. Close. No, not that way.
How do you jump?
No, not that way.
This way.
That way.
Kelly! Wait, is that you?
Yes, that's her.
Good God, kid. We're not good at this game. How did you get up there? Ooh, what's this? Found a little place over here. Oh! I can go in. I'm in somewhere. Probably shouldn't be in here.
Where?
Found a painting. You know what? I'm just going to get us out of here myself because you two are useless at the moment. What's this? Julia, if you're following me around, I'm going to advise you to stop. Oh, there's something over here.
Callie.
She gone again.
She is.
Alright, we call her. I found a giant cat.
That doesn't do anything.
Yeah, but it's cool. Oh, it looks like
Oh,
Pedro.
she's muted.
So she can hear us. Okay.
Callie. Callie,
Probably-
Callie with sprinkles on top.
Oh, the cat's got a seat. Excuse me.
Yes, guys.
Guys, climb the tower. Again! I'm stuck! Hold on, I'm stuck. And this freaking cat's... Hold on. I gotta reset. Give me a sec. Alright, climbing this damn tower once again. Is she talking about the tower we've been climbing? And looking like idiots while doing.
Move your big fat butt.
Ah!
Move your big fat butt.
Hey! Watch it. I've got a nice butt.
Ah!
I made it! I'm at the tower. Now jump on the roof. Okay. Where is that? See, I don't know if I can make it to the roof, Callie! I'm not in gymnastics! Ah! No.
Callie, what happened?
Am I supposed to sprint and jump? Now,
I can-
Callie, shut up for a minute. Answer in the chat. Do I sprint and jump to get onto the roof? Because I can't do it. Yes. Why are you watching me? Go do it yourself.
Done.
Juliet. Ah! Oh, it worked.
Uh-oh.
Holy shit, it worked.
Uh-oh.
Alright, now. Yes. Okay, now where do I go? Do I go to where you were? I'm just gonna wait for that to reply. Yeah.
Ken woman.
I fell off. Now I have to climb the tower again. Julia's gone. And Callie's. Yo, you cannot. Ah! Oh! My...
For me, I can't find your business. So, Julia, sometimes you literally admit to me you were on the toilet.
So tired.
Dude, tell me what that was. What just happened? Fuck's sake. Why don't you stop laughing and tell her what the hell just happened? Alright, I'm on the roof.
Hold up. I gotta pull out my pod.
Okay, I'm gonna come down. Oh, crumbs.
Julia.
I'm not meant to be in this area, am I?
I'm on the roof. I don't
Okay, 1 second. I gotta reset.
Ah!